We are so back. This is Animal Company. It's just Lethal Company. Are you a gorilla? Yeah. So it's the same, just go into facilities, get loot, try not to die, and you get money. Yeah. But there's no goal to this game. You basically just do all those things again, and it's supposed to be scary. So yeah. Let's go. I have played a little, not too much though. So yeah, let's just Facility number 1.
We're at 0 gravity, bro. Come, let's go.
Dog, I'm in the mines right now.
Me and my brother are at 0 gravity. Where's 0
It's
gravity?
not actually 0 gravity, it's low gravity. Shoot, there's a mimic. I need to kill him real quick. He's dead. Alright, golden gorilla statue. Alright. Good loot, good loot. Better loot? Holy moly. Dude, that's a freaking shotgun, dude. Those things are overpowered.
Yo, bro, you there? Guys, go to Anglerfish Cave. Go to Anglerfish Cave. Okay, I'm going there.
Huh?
Oh.
Anglerfish Cave.
I need to go back. Oh, I'm not losing my stuff like that. Ain't no way.
All right.
Oh, let's go! Woo.
Go to Anglerfish Cave.
so
I want some York, yeah. I don't want to. And you're like drizzling on deck. If you go to the Anglerfish Cave, then you will come to your house.
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Nah. I was flashing my light and then they just came over.
Dude, that should make us like a lot of money.
Never do the flashlight when you're using Anglerfish Cave.
Thanks, bro. Can you give me an umbrella? Can you give me an umbrella?
I hate this zone. It's scary. Yo, is there anybody down at the sewers?
Nobody's gonna go down the sewers, Lucky.
Because I just went down the sewers.
Yeah, only you, not everybody else. Okay, back.
Ah, dang it. Oh my god, he's right there.
right here.
Oh my god, dude, I hate this area so much. Wow, the sewers are terrifying.
Let's
Oh my god, the crowbar comes in clutch again.
just give me your mommy.
The last time I tried to do this, I failed. Oh, but not that time, not that time, but not that time.
I'll give you your buddy a right here. You go.
Hey, y'all, anybody coming down to the sewers?
I died to the eye.
Like, dog, I'm terrified down here. Please. Oh, again, dude? Oh my god, dude, this crowbar is amazing. The only part of the crowbar isn't this one, it's just hard to get out on. Alright, listen. Go, go, go. Oh my god, dude. God, this is good, guys? Really? Woo! God, this game is the most annoying zone in this game. So, there's the flashlight and I can keep the flashlight but ditch the crowbar. And unfortunately the backpack. Ditch everything. Grab one of these. And if you come,
Not over that.
see up here, there is a golden nugget that you can
More.
grab. Alright, now it's just time to make my way out. Oh, dude, I forgot how scary this area is. It's also really difficult because those eyes have like tentacles on them, and you have to not touch them. And if you touch them, A, you die, B, you hide behind a wall and you live. Personally, I would like to take option B. Should be a mimic here somewhere. Well, those are the really big nuggets over there.
There you go.
No! Oh, I didn't even touch it! I didn't even touch it, bro!
We're done!
I didn't even touch the stupid tentacle!
I never got you!
if you want to survive.
Oh shit, bye.
Here, just give me a second. Oh my god, I made it out alive. Holy crap. Yo, I just got back with like 2 gold nuggets and 1 big box.
Oh my god.
Yo,
Guys?
nah. Dude, I just got us like 1,300 bucks.
Anglerfish at low gravity.
Yeah, I just got out of that area. I managed to sell up stuff.
I almost stepped on a landmine.
Alright. That's it. Gotta go.